As the for-profit U.S. corporation has appointed a new leader under the illusion of choice, nothing is more profitable than war. And of course, they have declared war on the common cold, a war on those who might carry the common cold, a war on you and I. And of course, it should really be no surprise. Warfare has never looked the same throughout the centuries. We no longer do tank warfare. We no longer crash planes into buildings, and we no longer stand in a field and shoot at each other until no one's left standing. And of course, it would actually make sense that the warfare of the new century would be the warfare on the people, with their stated goal being to eliminate 2/3 or more of all people. It would only make sense to then use pharmakia to do battle against the people and make and continue to make more money than they've ever made before. If governance had an unstated motto, it might be do no good, tell no truth, take everything, and control everyone's mind. But I did not come here to talk about the problems in the world. I came here to talk about solutions in the place that we have the power, in the place that we can affect real meaningful change in our lives. Behind me, you see an amazing, beautiful Pueblo adobe-style structure that was built recently at the Trilingual School of Alternative Building by the hands of the students. Even though many of them had very little to no experience, we still managed to build in 2 weeks this complete structure. Now, intuitively, we know we can't make any meaningful change to the chosenite governance of this world. Logically, the real answer is to apply our energy and our resources in such a way as to undergo a change in our personal lives to expand our well-being beyond the outside influencers. Comprehend the value of investing our time and our money in ourselves, learning to build our lives in a way that benefits us the most. Now, because you are watching this video, you comprehend already the most powerful and effective way to improve your life is learning to build your own home and to live a mortgage-free life. Having a paid-for home gives you a base from which you can operate your entire life without endless bills and meaningless, endless job requirements. Jobs that may not even be there in the future without getting poison stabbed in your arm and endless testing as the usual suspects declare war on our life and the lives of our loved ones. Now, because we want to help as many people as possible realize this dream, this April we're going to be making available a 7-day workshop, something that's not been possible up to this point. But we're going to achieve what normally takes 14 days in 7, and we're going to do that by building one structure half complete so that you as a student can come and complete the structure and learn all of the processes that are involved in building and completing a structure. And we'll also lay the foundation of a second new building so you learn the foundational work and the plumbing, and we can get the electrical in there. We're going to show you all of these skills from foundation, plumbing, electrical, how to design your solar power system, and we're also going to be covering some unique issues of how to structure your life legally using the laws that are in place to relieve yourself from the tax liability of your property and your life. So along with showing you everything that you're going to need to build a functional structure, including water catchment and worm composting toilet systems, so that you can build something completely off-grid and completely sustainable and something very comfortable. And so I invite you, click the link below in the description and learn more about how you can build a beautiful, amazing, strong, insulating, safe home for your family using AirCrete. And so the price structure for this next Trilingual School of Alternative Building comes in 2 flavors. 1, just a single person attending, or 2, your family and friends. That is, for the second price, you can bring your entire family, or you can bring yourself and your friends for no additional charge. So again, click the link below and find out more. And remember to like, click, and subscribe to this channel and leave comments so that it helps the algorithm.